I like this sound. I'm going to use it as an intro. Hey, I'm Fish. I got an idea from a show what to do to make my intro real easy. I like my outro the way it is. I put it up, and that's the best I can do for me. Man, I'm going over to the dock side. I don't know if I really want to be at the dock side again. I say that for the reasons of, oh, I love my DJI Osmo HDR camera, but people out there, oh man, they don't love me. Don't blame me when I bring you the news that DJI rejected firmware for reasons, and they won't tell us what those reasons are. A rare experience. Lost in space! Will Robinson! Will Robinson! Danger! Danger! Anyway, I got a project to do. Something that's just a little less important than you got it, the action camera. And I forgot something very important, but I have to go to the department to grab one. It's called the tape measure. Man, don't they have tape measures at the store that you could just grab that's 36 inches in paper? I don't think I got one in the car. So I need to know what I'm getting that is no larger, wider than 28 inches. A while ago, I made a vlog of a Miss You 3D toy display. And I had on that backpack. Man, I had that thing going on record like there was no tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm shooting some video and I got HB on. Am I tilted? Let's get into the store where we need to be and see what we can find and get what we can get. Go get a cart. We may be $1 difference. That's about it. Let's get going. Let's get on going. Get on out of here. They didn't even have what I wanted. Not a single door. Isn't that unreal? It sure is. I find it amazing that I look online and doors, louvers, slots don't have anything at all. So I did take a measurement of a door that was 24 inches, 26 inches, 26 inches. I don't even remember the size. I think it was 26, and then the next door is too big, 28 inches, and it won't work. So I'm going to just hold off. Yeah, man, I can always go elsewhere. But, that's the way things are in life, man. You try to go to some place and never there for you. So let's get on out of here. That's what the camera's here for, doing its job, filming. All you do is complain. All I hear is you complaining online. Have a great day. Let's get on going. That's the sound of a windshield wiper. Gonna be the sound of my intro on the Wipe Your Butt. I don't think I'm purchasing a new camera anytime soon. I think I got everything I need. I'm just gonna move forward. Get on going. Heck, no lights on, you're not gonna capture video. Here I am with no light on. Just getting something that promises darker video than other cameras on the market that make the video look better? I don't think I could get any better than what I got in my hands right now. I didn't say company right now. I said camera in hands right. Isn't this what the camera's supposed to do? Make you look like vivid. My skin tone is red. Well, my skin tone is red because over here we got lights on me. It's funny that DJI took away face bracketing so it could concentrate on the skin tone, not on the camera. Used to have it. Open up your Action 1 and you'll see it. Oh, we got lights. Something happened here the other day, and that's why the lights are on and flashing. Well, I said all I did all that shit, all that shoots, so I gotta go back and put some editing skills to my video. And on that note, I'm Fish. See you on the next one.